Over now to my friend and great teacher, Biet. Oh my God, she's not disappointed. She's come with a magnificent haircut, some incredible goggles. She's unmuted herself and she's marvellous. Biet, welcome. Thank you for joining us for this Zoom call.
Thank you for having me. I'm excited to be here. Okay, everyone get ready. Inhale 1 through the mouth. Release.
One person has turned into 3 guitars.
Tell me, how was that, mate?
I like to practice Wim Hof. It takes a lot longer to get to this state. I'm really mellow.
Tash, my sister.
That was so wicked, man. Oh my God. I used to do drugs.
Same.
And this is free drugs.
Oh, I felt lightheaded, but in an exciting way, so I had no fear.
Mate, we can see you, we can hear you, we know where you've been and we know what you've taken.
Okay. Yeah, I agree with every of the comments, and I'm just happy to be here. I'm super, super happy with what you're creating.
I know a few people that do a lot of breath work, so I haven't really experienced any of it, and then see you sent the email, so I thought, okay, I'll give it a go.